So, hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this GFG problem of the day, implementing Dijkstra's algorithm. So in this problem, what we are given a graph and a source node, and what we have to do, we have we have to find the shortest distance of all the vertex from that source node H. Okay, like here, source node is equal to 0 and vertex is equal to 2. So it is the distance from 0 to 0, it is the distance from 0 to 1. Okay, from 0 to 0 we have distance 0, and from 0 to 9 we have distance is equal to 9, as we have only one edge. Okay, here this is the graph. Here s is equal to 2. So here from 2 to 0 the minimum distance is equal to 4. Like from 2 we go to 1, then from 1 we go to 0, like 3 1. Okay, now from 2 to 1 we have minimum distance of 3, and from 2 to 2 we have minimum distance of 2. So we have to implement it. Okay, so guys, what is the basic approach? As you can see, I am take this test case. Here 4 are the number of nodes, or you can say number of vertex. 5 are the number of edge. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, this is the cost from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1 cost 9. From 0 to 2, 0 to 2 cost 1. From 0 to 3, 0 to 3 cost 1. From 1 to 3, 1 to 3 cost is equal to 3. From 2 to 3, from 2 to 3, cost is equal to 2, and 0 is our source node. Okay, so we highlight 0. We just highlight the 0 because this is our source node. Okay, so this is our source node. So okay, just change the color. Yes. So guys, what we given, what we starting, we take a set S, we take a set S and initialize it with a pair. We take a set of pair on pair. You can see I am explaining code uh, with it. As you can see, I am taken a set of S of pair. The type of set is pair. Why pair? It will, in first index, it will store the distance we have covered yet, like from source node to a particular node I. The total distance cover is equal to the first index. Like here, from S to S the distance is equal to 0, and the first node we will store in it is S. So from S to S the cost is equal to 0. That's why we inside a node 0 comma S, you can see here. Okay, so what we do, as 1 is our source node, so 0 is our distance and 0 is our source node yet. Okay, this is our set. Then what we did, we take a vector int, we take a vector of int 5 and name is a dp. Okay, named is a dp, and the size of the vector of is equal to the total number of vertex we have. Okay, and we initialize it with 1 e raised to the power 9. Okay, and we take that distance, it will store that distance from S to a particular node I. Okay, so distance of S to S, you can see S is equal to 0. We initialize with it. Then we run a while loop. We run a while loop while our set is not empty. What we do, we will take the begin pair of our set. Why I took set? Because in set, think if we have 1,000 pair, like from this to this. Okay, so so the first pair, the distance of first pair, like the first index of first pair is always the smallest, that's why I took set. Unless I can use vector or anything else of pair and pair, but I need to sort it. If I took priority queue, then I have to run a log and operation each time to find the minimum pair, and we need to update it. Like if we are at pair 3 but we found a pair who uh, we found a way from which we can go to 3 in has cost, then we will delete our initial pair and insert a new pair. That's why in our set we just took log n time, but in all other data structure we will took on time. Okay, in plus log n time also in searching, if we took map and priority queue, you can say, or vector of int. In vector of int, it is n log n because of sorting. Okay, so I hope you understand why I took set. Okay, now I took a dp also. How my dps look like? Dp will contain four element: 0, 1, 2 and 3. In 0 and 0 it is 0, otherwise it is 1e power 9. But 1e power 9, okay, you can see it as infinity. Okay, I can also say it as infinity. And what I took the begin pair of our set and put that distance in our A. The node the node I dot second is node, you can see here. It is to the pair of distance comma node. So A is the distance of that node, B is that node, and we will erase it. Okay. So in first iteration, what we did, I choose some other color. Increase the thickness. Yes, okay. So our A is equal to 0. Our A is equal to 0. Our A is equal to 0 and our B is equal to 0 also. In our first iteration, and we just pop out this 0 and 0. Okay. So our S is equal to empty at this moment. So now from 0 to 0, we will go to each pair, to each node. We can go to I dot what is I dot second, we can also say it as B. Okay, our I dot second is B. So for each node, for ADJ, for each node we can go to this 0. I dot second means B is equal to 0, you can see. So I dot 0, and what is A dot 0? 1, 2 and 3. So we can go to 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so first of all we go to 1. Okay, then we took a variable x. What is our x? The cost of our I dot second, and the cost from I dot second to j. Okay, the cost of I dot second and the cost of that node to that particular node. Like if we are at this node, like this is our source node, this is our current node B, and this is our other node x, and the cost of here it is equal to A. The cost is equal to A. The cost is equal to A, and the cost of this is equal to j, uh, is equal to j1. Okay, it is j1. The cost is equal to j1, as you can see. Just wait a minute, I just silent my phone. Yeah, okay. So okay, so our total cost of reaching x is equal to A plus j1. Okay, A plus j1. I hope you understand it. Okay, total cost equal to A plus j1 to a particular node. Okay, so here this is our cost for reaching j0. Okay, for reaching j0. So our j0, when when our j is equal to 1, when our j point to this node, so what our j will store? So here it will run first time. Okay, our j0 is equal to 1. Our j0, let's write out, I will write it. J0 is equal to 1 node, and j1, what is j1? J1 is equal to cost from 0 to 1. 0 to 1 is 9, so cost is equal to 9. So x is equal to, what is x? X is equal to 9 plus A is equal to 0, so it is equal to 9. And we check whether our cost is less than our j0, dp j0. Yes, it is less, because initially it is 1 raised to the power 9. So if it is less, so what we check now, if we this is the first time we come at j0. If this is first time, then we just need to insert a pair, and we initialize our dpj0 to x. So here our dpj0, it is our dpj0 is equal to 9. It is equal to 9, and we insert a pair of distance is equal to 9. This is 9, and node is equal to 1. not is equal to 1. Okay, so we completed this one. Now we are at this 2 in second iteration. Now in second iteration, now increase the thickness. Yes, now it's fine. In second iteration, our J0 is equal to node. What is node? Node is equal to 2. And what is the cost of J2? J1. J1 is the cost. So what is the cost? Cost is equal to 1. Cost is equal to 1. X is equal to A plus J1. A plus J1. A is equal to 0. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Yes, it is less than TP2. So it is 1 now. It is 1. So now we will store it in our pair because it is 1. It is because dpj0 is equal to 1 e की power initially. Okay, so what we did, now we insert a pair of distance comma node is equal to 2. Okay, now we had completed this. Now we are at 3. So now we are at 3. So what is our j0 is equal to 3 and j1 is equal to, what is our j1? J1 is equal to 0 to 3 is equal to 1 is equal to 1. So here also x is equal to a plus j1. A is equal to 0. J1 is equal to 1. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Yes. Now it will also insert 1 comma 3. Okay. And this will cut down. Now it is equal to 1. Okay. So guys, now our set will restore. Okay. After doing this second iteration, now in second step, how our set is look like. Our set will look like initially it will contain 1 2 in the front index. It will contain 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3. Okay, and the third one is, what is third one? Third one is 9 comma 1, 9 comma 1. Okay, so now we pop out this pair in, now in first iteration we pop out. What we do, we, okay, I just erase it all. Now it will helpful for me. I just erase it all. Ah, just wait a minute. Okay, so guys, what I had did in first step, I took this 1 comma 2. So our a is equal to 1 now, and our b is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. So we will traverse to the old node of index 2. Okay, so nodes is equal to, nodes is equal to, this is nodes. Okay, so 2 nodes is equal to 0, is equal to 0 and 3. Okay, so when we are at, when we doing this 0. Okay, so first our, so first of what we do, our j0 is equal to 0, our j1 is equal to, j1 is equal to 1. Okay, 0 to 2 is equal to 1. So it is equal to 1. Now our x is equal to, our x is equal to 1 plus a is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, it is equal to 2. But our dp0 is equal to 0, so it will not, so our if condition will false. Okay, and we just continue our loop. Okay, else right, now we come at 3, come at 3. Now I just erase it. Now our J0 is equal to 3 and the cost of 3 to 3 is equal to 2. Our A is equal to 1, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. It is equal to 3. So dp3 is equal to 1, so it will also pass out. So we have completed this. Now we will take this. So now what happens? So now what happens? Our A is equal to 1, our B is equal to 3. The nodes of these three are 0, 1 and 2. Okay. 0, 1 and 2. Hey, so here when we do 0, it is equal to 1. Cost of 0 to 3 is equal to 1. So 1 plus J1 is equal to 2. dp0 is less than this. So 1 will complete. Okay, I just need to. So 1 will complete. So we will iterate 0 and don't do anything. Now we are at 1. So our J0 is equal to 1. What is J1? 0 to 3. 3 to 1 is equal to 3. So cost is equal to 3. A plus J1 is equal to 4. So cost is equal to 4. Yes, it is 9. So our cost is equal to less. So our cost is equal to 4. Now we see, yes, this condition is true. Cost is less. But whether our cost is equal to 1 e power 9? No. So what we do? We will come out of the loop. We will erase the index. What index? This index. Okay, I am taking this pair. Here. What index? This index dp. Wait a minute. Yes. What is our J0? J0 is equal to 1. So we can say we erase which pair? dp J0. J0 is equal to 1. So it is dp1. What is dp1 without modifying? It is equal to 9. It is, and what is J0? J0 is equal to 1. So we have a pair 9, 1. We have to erase it. Whether we have, yes, we have a pair. So we will erase it and insert a new pair. But we insert x, J0. What we will insert? X. What is our x? X is equal to 4. 4, J. What is our J0? J0 is equal to 1. So we will insert this. Okay. And we modify our J0 to x. We cut out 9 and write out 4. Okay. So now our this iteration complete, and now we have 4, 1. Okay. We have 4, 1 now. Okay. So here it is. So we will take it. Our A is equal to 4. Our cost is equal to 1. So all nodes of 1 are 0 and 3. So all nodes are is equal to 0 and 3. Okay. Now J0 is equal to 0. First of all, we are doing this. J1 is equal to cost is equal to 9. A plus J1, 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Our dp0 is less than this. So this will complete without doing any modification. Now we are at 3. Now when we are at 3, now what happens? Let's see. J0 is equal to 3. Cost of 1 to 3 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. And dp3 is equal to 1. So this is complete. Now we complete the iteration and our S is empty now. Our S is empty. So our this condition will true now. This condition will fall. S dot empty return true. Node is equal to false. So while condition complete, and we just return dp. We just return gp. So what we return? We return 0 to 0 is equal to 4. 0 to 1 is equal to 4. 0 to 2 is equal to 1. 0 to 3 is equal to 1. Now let's see whether this is true. 0 to 0 is equal to 1. Yes, right. 0 to 2 is equal to 1. 0 to 3 is equal to 1. 0 to 1 is equal to 1 and 3. 4. If we come from 2, 1, 2, 3, no. It is not the efficient way. 0 to 1 is equal to 9, not the efficient way. So from 0 to 3, this is the way we come to 1. So our answer is correct. So so if I compile it by running it, so guys, you can see answer is correct. So we just submit it. So guys, you can see it's accepted solution. All 131 test cases pass out. Time also 0.1 second. So guys, I hope you'll like it, and if you have any doubt, then comment out. I will try my best to explain you. And if you like the video, then subscribe the channel and check out my channel for more LeetCode and GFG problems solution. So I hope you like it. So thank you for watching this, guys.